Imagine cutting your job search time while boosting your interview rate. That's JobLogr, the AI platform that gets you hired faster. Getting started is simple. Just upload your resume. There's a lot we can do next, but let's start with a resume analysis. Look at this. JobLogr instantly identifies your strengths, highlights improvement opportunities, and ensures your experience stands out to both automated screening tools like ATS and human recruiters. Our AI searches all major job boards simultaneously, ranking opportunities based on your actual qualifications. These top matches represent where you're most likely to get interviews. No more wasted applications. With one click, generate a tailored cover letter for any position. 83% of hiring managers say personalized cover letters significantly impact their decisions. Notice how JobLogr highlights your relevant experience for this specific role. Mark jobs as applied with a single click. Your application dashboard organizes everything: status updates, follow-up reminders, and application statistics to optimize your strategy. Once you land an interview, JobLogr creates comprehensive preparation materials tailored to the company and role. Applicants who utilize interview prep see up to an 80% higher offer rate. JobLogr also analyzes your LinkedIn profile, recommending specific improvements to attract recruiters and make your digital presence consistent with your applications. This is just a glimpse of JobLogr's capabilities. Get started for free today. No credit card required.